Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss Ceed 2025 question paper with detailed solution. First we will read out the instruction, then we will go to the part A, then part B. Okay. So going to the instruction. So first is the total duration of the examination is the 3 hours, and the question contain part A and part B, and 1 hour is provided for a part A and 2 hours is provided for the part B. Okay, then second is the question of a exam. Question of part A and part will be appear on the computer. Answer to part A have to be entered in the computer, and answer to part B need to be given in the answer booklet provided by the invigilator only. Okay, then part A carries a total marks of 150 marks. It contains 3 sections. All questions are mandatory, and the following table summarize the marking scheme of a part A. Like we can see, there will be 3 types of question, like NAT, MSQ and MCQ. For NAT there will be 8 questions and 4 marks for each question, and there will be no negative marking. So maximum marks can be gained from the NAT only. Okay, then MSQ there will be 10 questions and partial marking will be there, and -1 will be negative marking for each question. Then MCQ there will be 26 questions, 3 marks for each question, and if incorrect option is chosen then there will be 0.5 negative marking. For each NAT question the answer is a number. The answer need to be entered using the virtual keyboard on the monitor. No choice will be shown on this question. In NAT the correct option will be awarded 4 marks. There will be no negative marking or partial marking for NAT. Okay, if each MSQ has 4 choices of which one or more is correct. The following is a marking scheme, like 4 marks, 3 marks, 2 marks, 1 mark, 0 marks and negative marking. Full marks like 4 if all the correct option are chosen and none of the incorrect option is chosen, then there will be marking of 4. Partial marking of 3 if all option, like if all 4 options are correct but only 3 options are chosen and 1 is left, so there will be marking of 3. Partial marking of 2 if there are 3 or more options are correct but 2 options are only chosen and no incorrect option is chosen, so there will be marking of 2. Then partial marking of 1 if 2 or more options are correct but only 1 option chosen with none of the incorrect option, so there will be marking of 1. 0 marking if none of the option is chosen, basically there will be 0 marking. Hello? Negative marking in all other cases. Each MSQ has 4 choices of which only 1 is correct answer. In MSQ the correct answer will be awarded 3 marks and wrong answer will be awarded 0.5 marks negative. The question not attempt will be 0 awarded. The scribble pad will be provided for the rough work for part A. These have to be returned to the invigilator at the end of the exam. Part B carries a total of 100 marks. It contains 5 questions of 20 marks. All questions in part are mandatory. Each question must answered on the page designated for the question in the answer booklet. Additional instruction to part B question are provided in the answer booklet. In part B, color pencil, crayons, sketch pens, etc. may be used unless otherwise specified in the question. Calculator, chart, graph sheet, mathematical table, mobile phone, watches of any type, and other electronic gadgets are not allowed in the examination hall. So starting with the part A, our first question is the word given below are written using a particular font. Identify the digit that does not belong to the same font. So they have given, here is the sentence, electrol, mandate, okay. इसमें हमें पर्टिकुलर फॉन्ट दिखाया गया है जिसमें कि दे हैव प्रोवाइडेड सेरिफ फॉन्ट. सेरिफ फॉन्ट बेसिकली उस फॉन्ट को कहा जाता है जिसके एज में सम काइंड ऑफ नॉड निकला होता है. हियर यू कैन सी, ओके. सो हमें ऐसा नंबर सेलेक्ट करना है जो कि सेम फॉन्ट से बिलोंग नहीं करता है. सो आंसर विल बी 2 हियर. लाइक द शोन बिलो इज अ क्रॉस सेक्शन which is revolved 270 degree around PQ axis to create a solid. How many surface will be resulting solving? How many surface will be resultant solid have? So इस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन में हमें टोटल नंबर ऑफ सरफेस काउंट करते हैं और इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में हमें ये ध्यान रखना रहता है कि जो एजेस है उससे सरफेस काउंट करना है. लाइक दो एज जैसे ये और ये एज मिला गया है तो दिस विल बी काउंट एज अ वन सरफेस एंड दिस विल बी काउंट एज अ वन सरफेस. बट अगर सेमी सर्कुलर और सर्कल काइंड ऑफ शेप दिया गया है सो सरफेस विल बी काउंट ओनली वन. तो पहले तो हम जो गिवन शेप भी दिया गया उस शेप के सरफेस काउंट करते हैं. ओके, सो this will be count as a 1, this will be count as a 2, 3, 4, 5 and here we can see जो सेमी सर्कुलर शेप है वो कंटिन्यू हुआ है विदाउट डिस्टर्बिंग द एज. ओके, सो दिस विल बी काउंट एज अ 5 only here and this will go to the till here. Okay, then this will be 6, 7. Okay, total number is a 7 for one surface and this circle is a count as a 8. So this will be become 8. Okay, and after revolved, so first we can draw a axis here like this. Okay, and the surface will be revolved to the 270 degree like till this. Okay, starting with the this point and going to the this point. So there will be surface of here one surface and this will be one surface. Okay, so this will be 9th one and this will be 10th one. Okay, so total number will be 10 only. So going to the third question, shown below is a strip of a paper which is folded multiple times. How many red pawns are placed on the same side of paper as a blue pawn? ओके, सो बेसिकली इस क्वेश्चन में हमें टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स काउंट करने हैं जो कि सेम साइड पे दिए गए हों. ओके, सो आंसर विल बी 9 हियर. देन फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज shown below is the image of multiple footwear items. How many complete pair are there? So इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में हमें बेसिकली शेप्स को काउंट करके नोट कर सकते हैं रफ पेपर में और एल्स इन माइंड वी कैन कैलकुलेट हियर. लाइक लेट्स कैलकुलेट दिस रेड पेयर इज अ वन पेयर. ओके, सो वी कैन कट हियर one pair, then we can see this one second, then third, fourth, fifth, then this brown one, sixth, seventh, okay, then eighth, ninth, then this one 10th, then shoe last one is 11, and left footwear जो है उनके pairs नहीं visible है, so answer will be 11 only. So fifth question is, shown below is a configuration of an isosceles triangle sliced into 8 parts, each of these same height, while first and last part of a triangle remained fixed. Remaining parts have been displaced horizontally by multiple of 0.5 centimeter. What is the area of gray portion? So basically इस क्वेश्चन में हमें शेडेड पार्ट जो ये वाला है इसका एरिया कैलकुलेट करना है. ओके, एंड दे हैव प्रोवाइडेड 8 slices with the height of 1 centimeter. So here we can mention this height will be of 8 centimeter. Okay, and this will be also 8 centimeter, and we can divide this triangle with half and this rectangle with a half. So here will be bottom का जो dimension होगा, this will be half of the 8 centimeter. So we can write here this will be 4 centimeter. Okay, so we get here this rectangle portion and this triangle portion that is covered in a shaded part. We can see अगर जो slighted parts है उसको arrange किया जाता है, so we will get the particular triangle here. अगर उस sliced part को particular triangle में convert कर दिया जाता है, so shaded part will be one triangle area plus one rectangle area. So here we can calculate the rectangle area, like 4 cross 8 will be 32 square centimeter. Okay, and triangle area will be 60 centimeter. Okay, so we can calculate rectangle area here with dimension of 4 centimeter cross 8 centimeter will be 32 square centimeter. Okay, and triangle with 1/2 cross 4 cross height of the 8 centimeter, and the area will be 60 centimeter square. Okay, and after calculating both shaded area, answer will be 48 centimeter square. Okay, so sixth question is shown below is the arrangement of closely stacked spheres. Assume each one of sixth question is shown below is the arrangement of closely stacked sphere. Assume each one to be in a contact with its immediate neighbor. What is the total number of a point where a sphere touch each other? So here we can see they have provided sphere in a 4 level. Okay, फर्स्ट लेयर जो कि बॉटम लेवल है उसमें इन्होंने 16 स्फीयर प्रोवाइड किया है, देन नेक्स्ट में 9 स्फीयर, देन सेकेंड लेवल में 4 स्फीयर, देन टॉप में 1 स्फीयर. सो टॉप व्यू से देखने पे हमें पता चलता है कि 2 स्फीयर एक दूसरे को एक पॉइंट पे टच कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि यहाँ. ओके, सो जो फोर्थ बॉटम लेयर है फोर्थ वाला, Here we can calculate total number of touching area. Then same for this third level, second level and first level. So basically हमें second and third layer के touching area calculate करना है for the top view. And after calculating the top view with the elevation, we can see जो 3 spheres है एक दूसरे को 3 places पे contact कर रहे हैं. Yes. So after calculating all the touching area, the total number of touchable surface will be 96 here. Okay. 7th question. Shown below are the 3 perspective view of a solid object. How many surface does the object have? Assume hidden surface to be flat. Okay. So here we can see they have provided 3 views of our object, and this object and this object is the same view with front and rear perspective. Okay, and this is the side perspective. So first we calculate the first view surfaces. और इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन में हमें ये ध्यान रखना रहता है कि जो कर्व सरफेस रहता है उसे एक सरफेस काउंट किया जाता है, लाइक दिस वन. या सो लेट्स कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ सरफेस. दिस विल बी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. These are the visible surfaces. Okay. Then ये जो हेक्सागोनल वाला शेप है उसको अभी हम छोड़ रहे हैं क्योंकि we can see they have some curved surface in a other view. So we will calculate that sometime, after some time. Okay. Then in second view, so this is a rear view of a first object, this part. Okay, so this is a 1 2 3 4. Okay, then 5. Six, 7. ओके, ये जो लास्ट की रियर व्यू है उनकी सरफेस हमने फर्स्ट वाले ऑब्जेक्ट में काउंट नहीं किया है, इसलिए ये टोटल सरफेस विल बी 7 हियर. देन नेक्स्ट इज दिस इज end view of a first object. This is a part of this one. Okay, and this is related to this one. So total number of surface here will be 1. This part has been calculated here. Okay, so 1, then 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 we have calculated. Then let us calculate the hexagonal surface. So this will be 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 23. That was visible to us. Okay, then next this hexagonal is left. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. this is counted as a 6 and this surface is counted as a 1. So total answer will be 30 here. Yeah. So next 8th question is, mono-spaced font is a font in which all characters are exactly of same width. Okay. A document uses a mono-spaced font for typesetting where each character is exactly 0.6 cm wide. A text line in this document contains only 10 words, where each word contains 6 characters. What is the length of the line in a centimeter? So starting with the multiple select question. 9th question is shown below are a perspective view of a hexagonal prism, a cube, a cylinder, all having height of 10 cm. If the objects are cut by the straight plane to generate various cross section, which of the statements are true? Okay. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें जो शेप्स हैं, मतलब जो वॉल्यूम वाले शेप्स दिए गए हैं, उसको अगर क्रॉस सेक्शन करते हैं तो उनके शेप्स पता करने हैं कि क्रॉस सेक्शन में कौन कौन से शेप्स बने जाएंगे. सो आंसर विल बी आर कैन रिवील curvilinear cross section, P and R can reveal a square cross section. Okay. Q and R can reveal rectangle cross section also. P and Q can reveal isosceles triangle also. Yes. Okay. Then P and Q can reveal regular hexagonal cross section. R can reveal a square. Okay. So we can define this as a, like here, if we cut a cylinder like this, the resultant surface will be look like rectangle. Okay. This can be also square, and after cross section from the top, the surface can look like a circle also. So here we can say R can reveal a square. Okay, R can reveal curvilinear cross section also. R can reveal square cross section also. Okay, then Q defined as a rectangular cross section. Yes, if we cut this cube with central plane, this will result rectangle here. Okay, like this rectangle. This can be resultant as a square also. Okay, and regular hexagonal also. Then P is defined as a regular hexagonal. Yes, this can be cut as if we cut this shape from the top view, like from this axis. So top view will be the regular hexagon. Like this. And if we cut this shape from the vertical axis, so resultant shape can be regular rectangle also, like this. Here we can see. Okay. Like this. Got it? So answer will be A, B and C. Next, 10th question is, shown below is the front and the top view of an object. Which of the option can be the correct? In this type of question, we need to eliminate the incorrect options. So here we can see there are 3 rectangles. Okay, so if we see from the top view, there need to be edges here, 1, 2 and 3 edges. So first option will be incorrect and third option will be incorrect, because there is a curved surface here, so there will be no edge, and there is a empty space, so there will be no edge. Okay, this will be the incorrect option, and correct option will be B, because there is an edge here that can be visible from the top view, and there will be edge here that can also visible from the top view. For the surety, they have provided the top view also and front view also. If we see this object from the front view, this and this surface will be look like this only, and same D option will be look like this only, because they have provided curves here, but they have provided edge here also. Okay, so answer will be B and D. 11th question. Shown below is a graph showing the journey of a hero in a 60-minute movie. This graph represents the relationship between time and event in the hero's journey in the film. Which of the statement are true? Okay, so answer will be the A and D, because the hero might have defeated the villain in the end. Okay, as we can see, the hero's graph is a positive at the end. Okay, the hero might have met an accident between 12th and 18th minute. Here, like this is the 12th and this will be the 18th, as this is the negative part and this is the 0 part. Okay, so hero might have met with an accident and 12th and 18th centimeter. So 12th question is, shown on the left is the image of unfolded cube. Which option represent the folded cube? Okay, so here we can see the option will be A and B, because we know cube have some relation with their adjacent shapes, like this part will be connected to this part, this part will be connected to this part, and this last edges part will be connected to each other. Okay, so here starting with the part C, here we can see this part is related to this one and this is the correct, but as is the top of the O shape, but have some edge here, but this shape don't have edge here. Okay, so this will be the negative end. Here we can see M shape. Okay, this will be connected to this one, but this can be also connected to this one. So this part and this part is correct, but this part is wrong, because they have rotated the shape here, E and M. Okay. So 13th question is the figure shown below depicts the mechanism made using the link and the hinges, where the small circle represent hinges. Which of the option will allow relative motion between the links? And the correct options are A, B and D, because we can see they have provided circular links with the hinges. Okay, like this curve can be moved like this, and like this. Okay, same the circle can be moved with any shapes, with any motion. This will be the same movable motion relative hinges and links. And incorrect option is a B, because there is a no circular motion. Like if we turn this with this, there will be motion between this only, but not this only. Okay. 15th question. Shown below are 4 different types of a scissor. Which of the following statement is or are true? And the correct options are B and C, as R is designed for a right and left-handed use. Okay, this is a common type of scissor that we use generally in our daily life. And Q is the spring-loaded. Like here we can see they have provided a spring. And R is a design for a right-handed use. R is a design, S is a design for right-handed use. As we can see, the thumb will be upper part here. अपर सेक्शन में अपना थंब फिक्स किया जाएगा. That is for the right-handed, and P is a design for the left-handed use only. Like this kind of scissor we generally use in our daily life, as our thumb will be at this part. Okay. 16th question. Shown on the left are 3 tiles. Which option can be made using these tiles? Rotation of a tile are allowed. Okay. In this type question, they ask for the rotation of a tiles. So let us select. The correct options are the B and D. Okay, and the incorrect option are E and C. To select incorrect options, here we can see there is a square, quarter circle, and some kind of quarter circle with negative option is here. We can see they provided triangle here, but we don't have triangle tile, so this will be the incorrect option. Same in a C, they have provided here triangle tile, but we don't have triangle tile, so this will be the incorrect option. 20th question. Shown below are an image of 4 different models of dispenser using of the statement is or are true. The correct options are at least 2 models are based on the wall, at least 2 models have hinges. Okay, so here we can see this bottle and this bottle have hinges, and this bottle and this bottle have walls. At least one model uses pressure to dispensing liquid. At least one model uses to lever principle. This will be the lever principle, and this will be the pressure principle. 18th question. Shown below is an empty triangle which is to be filled using the 5 tiles. Which option will be exactly fill this triangle when tiles are used? Scaling, repeating, flipping of a tile is not allowed, while rotation is allowed. So correct option will be C and D. Here we can see we can arrange these shapes like this will be arranged here like this. Okay, and second tile is arranged like this. This will be the this part, and this will be the this part, and this rectangle part will be the this one. So 19th question is shown below are the word in a particular font. Which option belong to the same font? Okay. Here we can see they have provided some layers and the pages, and these font are the sans serif font जिसमें कि edges provide नहीं किए गए हैं. This will be the common part, like curved surface है, okay, and have some kind of thin and thick layer with some edges like this. जो टॉप एरिया है they have thick line and the bottom part have thin line, so the correct answer will be the B here. 20th question, shown on the left is animation loop of a mouse moving. Which option shows the correct path of the mouse? And the answer is a B. In this type of question एग्जाम में हमें रोटेशन दिखाया जाता है, एनिमेशन रहता है बेसिकली, जिसमें एक माउस है वो रोटेट कर रहा है, उसको नोटिस करके उसकी पाथ को हमें डिज़ाइन करना रहता है रफ में या बेसिकली योर माइंड में, एंड वी कैन सेलेक्ट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हियर. 21 question, which option is a similar rotation of an image given below? And the correct option is a B. Okay, as we can see, we need to notice common part of a given image, okay, that is rotated. So here we can see there is a 2 white and 2 black. These shapes are common in all shapes, okay. So next, what is the next common shape? Here we can see this part, 2 pairs of orange, 2 pairs of red. We can if we rotate this part in a 180 degree, this will come here and that will come here, okay. So 2 options will be like this, like B and D, okay. But next, what will be the common part? So here we can see this 2 pair of a pink and 1 pair of a red and green. Here we can see 1 pair of a red and green and 1 pair of a pink, okay. And same here we can see 1 pair of a red and green and 1 pair of a pink, and this will be the common part. Then what is the common part? Okay, so the next option will be here we can see, okay. If we have 2 pair of orange and 1 pair of red, so there is a 3 common red box. This is the same as the first one, but here is a not 3 common red box, that is not related to first one, okay. So answer will be the B. Question number 22, which option will replace the question mark? The question is notebook becoming question mark, leverage, research, elaborating, okay. The correct option is the modeling. Question number 23, shown below is a wooden artifact made using traditional materials and processes. Which option shows the relevant operation involved in its making, not necessarily in production sequence? So we need to select the correct option. So answer will be the B, that is sizing, turning, drilling, leg wearing, okay. Question number 24, shown below is the perspective view of an object. When viewed from the direction of an arrow like this, okay, the object is rotated to 90 degree clockwise about the y axis. ये जो है इसके एक्सिस पे 90 डिग्री रोटेट कर दिया गया है. Then 180 degree anti-clockwise about y-axis, okay, like 180 degree anti-clockwise, followed by 90 degree anti-clockwise about the y-axis, again 90 degree anti-clockwise from the y-axis. All rotation as viewed from the point on the perspective axis like this. The origin of a respective x. Which option shows the correct result in view? The option will be the C. Fifth question. Shown below is the image that shows step-by-step process of folding a white color fabric. The folded fabric is divided into color at three corners P, Q and R. As indicated in the image, what will be the resultant fabric after folding? First step is a regular square, then that is folded from this edge, then this axis, then this axis, and the color part is a P, R and Q, and the correct option will be the C. As here we can see the main axis are like this one and this one and this one, and here we get the triangle like this part. Assume this part is a color triangle, so we get 1 point here, 1 point here and this 1 point here, okay. So correct option is a B. 26th question. Which arrangement of a tile will be create an image shows on the left? Tile can be rotated but not flipped. Okay. So here we can see they have provided some shapes with some color parts. So correct answer will be C. Okay. This part will be the here, and this part will be the here, this part will be the here, this part will be the here, this is the last edge, okay, and this part is the here. Question number 27. Which option will replace the question mark here? The correct answer is a C. 28th question. Which option will replace the question mark here? So we need to notice some common part here. In given first design, we can see the black semicircular part is the at bottom of the hexagonal shape. Yes. So next design will be the same here, and this will be the dark black surface. Okay, so we can eliminate the incorrect option. This will be the incorrect and this will be the incorrect. And next, जो शेडेड ब्लैक पार्ट है उसके बॉटम एज पे अंदर के तरफ ट्रायंगल दिया गया है. ओके, सो हियर वी कैन सी द सेम डिजाइन, but this is not the same, so this will be the incorrect. 29th question. A circular disc and the sphere of a same diameter are floating above the ground. The circular disc is parallel to the ground. Which option shows the correct set of shadow on the ground when seen from the top? Okay, the human is looking from the top, but sunlight is from the 45 degree direction. स्फीयर या सॉलिड शेप्स होता है, अगर उनका शेडो बनाया जाता है that will be stretched from some edges. Okay, तो sphere का जो shadow रहेगा that will be some stretched part from the top surface. Okay, so this will be the incorrect option, this will be the incorrect option, because this is the sphere, this is the sphere, but that is but they are not stretched. Okay, and डिस्क अगर जैसे कि सिंगल प्लेन है और उसका शेड बनाया जा रहा है तो उसका जो शेडो रहेगा वो स्ट्रेच्ड नहीं होगा. सो बी इज द इनकरेक्ट ऑप्शन बिकॉज फर्स्ट वाला डिस्क है उसको स्ट्रेच्ड दिखाया गया है बट ए में नहीं दिखाया गया. सो करेक्ट आंसर विल बी द ए. 13 shown on the left is an image. Which option is the correct profile of the image? Okay, so the common part we can see here. सबसे पहले तो incorrect option को neglect करो. Okay, so here we can see this clip is at the center of a paper. So C is incorrect because this is not at the center. Same D is incorrect because this is slightly towards the bottom of a paper. So option B and C can be correct, but this we can see the edge of a scissor जो उसका कॉर्नर है वो दो पेपर्स के जो कॉर्नर बन रहे हैं, एंगल बन रहा है, उसको क्रॉस करते हुए निकल रहा है, ना कि स्लाइड करते हुए. राइट, सो इनकरेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए एंड करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज बी हियर. Question number 31. Which option is the mirror image of a sentence shown on the left? The correct option is a B. And these are the some tricks that can be used for the mirror image and a water image shown on the screen. Question number 32. Shown on the artistic representation of a various dance form of India, which option shows the correct sequence of a dance form? Okay, so we know first is the Manipuri, second is the Chau dance, okay, and third is the Bharatanatyam, and fourth is the Kathakali. Question number 33. Shown on the left is the image printed on the transparent sheet. If this sheet is folded along the dotted line, this line, okay, this one, then which option will be the resulting view? So correct option is D, because let's see, the incorrect option have some variation. Here we can see this part will be the cut here, okay, and this line are intersect this line, so this will be the incorrect, this will be the incorrect. Then let's select between the C. This line is more than this line, so answer D will be the correct option. 34. Shown below are the key frame of a character lifting a slide. Which option will be the replace the question mark? The correct answer is A, because we can see here this is the first step, second, third, and the next portion will be the A, because जो स्टोन है, जो मटेरियल है, उस मटेरियल को आदमी अपने ऑलमोस्ट फेस के ऊपर ला रहा है. उस फेस के ऊपर लाने से पहले दैट विल बी एट द बॉटम ऑफ देयर टमी, नियर द टमी ऑलमोस्ट, एंड द हैंड्स विल बी एट द बॉटम ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट टू लिफ्ट द ऑब्जेक्ट एट द टॉप of their face. Okay, so correct answer will be the A. Question number 35. Shown below is the animation of a bird flying. Which frame is not present at the animation? Basically in this type of question they have provided animation जो कि एग्जाम में चलते रहता है animation, and we have to notice the incorrect option here. ओके, जो कि सी था, और that view is not visible, correctly not visible at as a animation. Okay. Question number 36. A color image is shown on the left. If the blue sky is painted black and the leaves are painted white, which is the correct black and white image along the scaled option shown on the right? Okay, so we need to eliminate the incorrect option. Okay, so we can notice here, this is the one shape that we can see, but this is the incorrect here. Okay, so A will be the incorrect, and next we can see this portion. There is a two curve, but this is a not two curve, there is only one edge here, so this will be the incorrect. So next is between A and D. Okay, so we can see this leaf. This is some curve here, yeah, but there is a no curve, there is only one edge here, but they have provided here some curve, this line, so this is incorrect, and answer will be the B. Question number 37. Shown below are the frame from the film sequence that follow the 180-degree rule in a cinematography. Which option will replace the question mark? The correct answer is a D, because they have provided view of a two person with two objects. Then they will go through the object as a center. Then they will focus on the one person with the object and second person with the object. So correct answer is a D. Question number 38. Shown below on the left are two views of a band wire. Which option is the top view of a wire? The correct option is A, because if we see from the top, the resultant view will look like the triangle, and from the front or a side view, that will be the same as the option A. Okay. Then next question is 39. Shown on the left is the set of an equation. Which option belongs the same set? The correct option is C. A sheet of a paper is folded along the white dotted line, then cut along the black dotted line as depicted below. Out of the four scale down option, which is the correct resultant unfolded paper? Here we can see the main shape. This is the looks like S. Okay, so incorrect, and there will be the cut here, this part, and this will be the cutted here, this will be the cutted here, and this portion will be the cutted here. Okay, so incorrect option is A, like here we don't have any cut, and this is the extra cut here, so this will be the incorrect. Okay, and there is a no extra cut here, but there is an extra cut here, so this will be the incorrect option. So correct option will be the C. 1st question. A square pyramid sequentially passes through a 3 cut out, namely 1, 2 and 3, without changing its orientation. Each cut out has a circle with notch as shown. The cut out scrape off parts of the pyramid as it passes through them. Which option are the correct side view of a remaining part of the pyramid at the end of a sequence? Basically, answer would be C, but they have provided dropped question here and awarded 3 marks to the all students there. So next question is 42. Shown below is the configuration of a circle and a rigid rod. Length of the rod PQ is equal to the circumference of a green circle, this one. Okay, the rod transiently revolve around the circle till the point Q here. Okay, reach the point P. This one. Which option represent the correct tracing of a point Q? The answer will be the C. When see you by is spoken, which option shows the correct sequence of a leaf movement? The correct option is the C. Basically इस क्वेश्चन में हमें खुद से उस वर्ड को बोल के देखना है कि हमारा मुंह कैसा बन रहा है, हमारे लिप्स कैसे बन रहे हैं, व्हाट इज द मूवमेंट आर माउथ. सो यू कैन इमेजिन दिस बाय योरसेल्फ. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 44. विच ऑप्शन हैज 4 पार्ट that belongs to the disc shown on the left? The correct option is a C. So we can notice here. Okay, so there is a C with the star. This is provided here. Okay, there is a I with the star. This is also provided here. There is a star at the center with C at the outer surface. This is provided here, and star with the center and O is the outer surface. This is provided here. So answer will be the A.